Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new secret fish, the Cursed Kraken, and fish it after the latest update. The secret can only be found in the brand new locations called Crystal Depth. It looks like this, and it it only can get on the Crystal Depth like this. If you don't know how to get this crystal depth, don't worry, I have put a guide video in the description below, so make sure to check that link first. And then now, since the Cursed Kraken is a secret with rarity of 1 in 5 million, preparations is extremely important. Make sure you are using your best fishing rod available. At the very least, I recommend having the ghost wind rod before trying this. And then next, just use the bait that you have. Best bait, like for example singularity, to increase your chains, or maybe carp bait. And once you are fully prepared, just fishing in the crystal depth, and just be patient. This this one takes time and luck. And when you got the Cursed Kraken, you can use it to complete the black pearl quest like this. Just bring it to the captain to claim the colossal pirate ship. And okay, maybe that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.